Welcome to PcomLab, your tech corner where creativity meets smart tools. Today is not just a tutorial, it's a gateway to unlocking AI powered visual storytelling in seconds. Yes, we are diving into the amazing world of Napkin AI, a tool that can literally bring your thoughts to life by visually. By the end of this session, you will be able to create eye-catching diagrams, visual notes, flowcharts, mind maps using just simple prompts. Whether you are a student, designer, programmer, content creator, this is for you. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, first things first. Have you ever think what is Napkin AI? So, it's a free AI based tool that turns your thoughts, concepts, or topics into clear visuals. So, first of all, go to your any browser. I am using Chrome, so I open it and search Napkin AI and click on the first. Let's continue that what is Napkin AI. So, it's a perfect for notes, flowcharts, concept maps, and wireframes. And guess what? No design skills required. You just enter your idea in plain English, and boom, Napkin AI draws it for you. So, if you want to create anything in this generation, or I can say current time, you must have know how to use ChatGPT. So, I am using ChatGPT for generating prompt for Napkin AI. I want to generate about Flutter. So, I am typing that Flutter is so versatile for app development. So I want to generate a visuals generate visuals from Napkin AI for my PPT. So please give me some prompts and wait for few seconds. It will give you some prompt for your PowerPoint presentation. So ChatGPT give us the prompt. By using this, we can generate our visuals from the Napkin AI for our PowerPoint presentations. So we will select only few. For example, just Control C and signing into Napkin Beta. I have already a Google account, so I already generated napkin design for you. So here you can see Flutter app architect. So now we want to generate another napkin. So click on new napkin and draft with AI. Oh sorry, blank napkin. We have 3 prompts, so just paste it out. If you want to generate this first, so you can click here. If you want to generate another, then you can. And you can see napkin simply generate one visual for us. We can change styles customize the napkin. So I like this one. So I am selecting this, and now we can customize it using Napkin AI. Okay, this is good for us. If you want to add one comment, you can add. So this is Flutter platforms. So write Flutter platforms, and this one is commented. And Flutter versus native development. So click on generate. And within a second, Napkin generated for us. I like this or this. Oh, it's looking stunning. Okay, this is good for us. Absolute work by Napkin AI. Now the final one. Okay, UI element. Looking nice. I want this one. Okay, so our three visuals is ready for PowerPoint presentation. If we want to export it, we can. How to edit? Just click on any visual and you can change fonts, you make it bold, alignment setup, colors, and another visual like arrow, cloud, circle, and square, etc. So let's do it. If you want to export this visual, just click on export, and here are four extensions: PNG, SVG, PDF, and PPT. I want in PNG, so I go with PNG and click on download. And now let's see how it looks. And you can see this is stunning, perfect, absolutely amazing. And you can use it in your PowerPoint presentation. Napkin AI is used for YouTube content planning, explaining flowcharts, making revision notes for exams, creating business workflow in seconds, designing roadmaps, AI prompt, or strategy maps. You can also download another visual. This one and this one. So finally, before we go, a quick but super information or important reminder. PcomLab is now on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on LinkedIn, Threads, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even our Discord server. For behind the scenes tech, upcoming tutorials, quizzes, and exclusive AI updates. And next week's full content calendar is already posted on those platforms. So if you want early access and planning ahead, go check it out now. So If you love this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's obsessed with productivity or visual tools. This is PcomLab, solving your tech with simplicity and style. Tech beyond expectations, only with PcomLab.